Genesis ProBuilder is LinkSpring's Niagara Workbench, a software tool used to commission, configure, and program Niagara building automation controllers and supervisors. It's licensed using a unique host ID generated during installation onto a computer. Recalling this host ID can be helpful in some scenarios, like if the host ID isn't displayed at the end of installing Niagara. Niagara users are accustomed to seeing a browser tab open after installation to request or bind a license. Note that LinkSpring licenses are not bound or requested on this page. Rather, they are issued or modified by our licensing team. In any case, you can always recall the host ID from the Niagara console. In your Niagara home directory, open the bin folder of your installation. Launch the console executable file and enter the following command when ready: nre --host ID, all one word, and press enter. The host ID is displayed. If needing to obtain or modify a license for it, email the host ID and request to our licensing team at licensing@linkspring.com. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to be notified of more helpful suggestions.